Ladies and gentlemen, today we have one of the baddest 21 black on black Covert edition F250 leveled on 37. Whew. But wait, hey, cut. We gotta take this bad boy where it belongs. A truck this rugged and unbelievable deserves to be off-road in a better setting. Now to show you, I'm always on my accessory game, Real Deal Neal, check this out. So normally I would wear some special shoe combination for a truck of this magnitude, but this time I just have my 270s and they're old, they've got holes in the ends of them, and I'm wearing these because I knew my plot was gonna end me here off-road, and if I wore a good shoe, I would possibly get it dirty out here, and I can't be getting my good shoes, my A1 shoes, dirty. So I've got my G League shoes to where I'm still looking good and clean, but I can risk getting them a little bit dirty. Is anybody else like that? Let's go. 2021 Ford F250 Lariat Sport, agate black diamond, y'all. This is our Covert edition, and we are leveled on 37s with some special combinations that truly makes this one of the best. I gotta admit, it's a beautiful combination. And I first must say that the bumpers front and rear and lighting and winch were a last minute call between the customer and I. Great people, and can't wait for him to see his truck when he gets back. So a phenomenal truck, and going next level with the bumpers really makes this in that Overland Covert scheme of things, if you know what I mean, you follow me, but a diamond of a truck, y'all. So up front, we did not do any custom paint work to the front portion of the grill. It comes like this from the factory with the Lariat Sport, and obviously added the Fab 4 bumper up front. We got rigid light cubes. The far outer is a SAE DOT approved. It can be street legal ridden, so we wanted to incorporate that so they could have some functional, better fog light capability. A 40-inch radiance light bar there, and two spotlights here on the side. Love the LED border perimeter up front, and also we have a Warn VR Evo winch. This is just a must as far as having confidence and ruggedness at 12,000 pound rated capacity. This is all that you'll ever need to get out of any situation on or off road. Now, how we got leveled on 37s, check out this shot. I love that side shot. That is a money setup. So we did a 2.5-inch coil spring level kit up front, got Fox shocks front and rear, got a Fox steering stabilizer up front. We have a different size block in the rear as well, a 5-inch block to get it up 1 more inch, so it's a truly level stance. If you don't incorporate a bigger block in the rear on the 2.5-inch kit, it could appear to be just a slight smidge higher in the front, which we're not down with that. We're not in Carolina. Then the Lariat Sport comes with rear wheel well liners, and also just a clean aesthetically appearance. But have you noticed it? Have you noticed it? So we took the glossy running boards off from the factory and did the trimmer Raptor-like running board to really truly make this truck. I mean, this truck's so rugged in appearance, but it's also a very capable, rugged truck. It looks so capable because of the wheel and tire combo, which we'll talk about next. So we have a 20-inch Fuel Zephyr 20x9, that +1 offset, and we are a 37, 13.5, 20 Toyo Open Country MT true mud terrain tire. Have it on my Raptor. It's phenomenal. It's one of the best out there. There are several other great mud terrains, but this one here is from a look standpoint and overall characteristics. It's in the top. It's maybe my top 2 now. It may be number 1. I don't know. The Fuel Zephyr wheel really just makes it look, I mean, a rough off-road wheel. It's a great option. We're running a lot of our Jeeps and off-road Overland style builds that we do. So this is a great wheel, gaining popularity, and that combo there are perfect. Here's a better look at the level kit Fox shocks, then your stabilizer. There she goes. Looking great. So first off, I forgot to mention the amount of lighting that you now have for your LED projectors from the factory, and then your cubes and your radiance bar. You got so much more lighting now. It's just a great setup. Now, side marker, we removed the chrome portion in there, did black backlay because there are some subtleties of a little bit hiding around. That was the only thing we left essentially, and we're cool with that. But black on the inside there, with the amber. Y'all, it's the details. Telling you, it's in the details. Tell me those aren't so fire. Oh my gosh. So had to wait a little bit longer for these bad boys, and they were definitely worth the wait. Unreal. High on lumens, yes. Up here, third brake light as well. A game changer just to remove there's a lot of red in that tail light, first and foremost. A lot of red and white in the third brake light, so taking care of that is almost a must to go next level with your build. And then with that +1, you can see, again, I think this is the money setup. I like the plus 20s as well, y'all, plus 18. But this +1, yeah, you are 3 inches out, but I mean, it looks great. We did a MBRP DPF back exhaust with a big boy tip out back. You know, the duals are nice too, but I think this here just screams get some. And under the hood, we love to upgrade with the S&B cold air intake. Just improves the overall efficiency and airflow. The engine is such phenomenal now with the horsepower and torque. Do a cold air intake, DPF back, you're maximizing your in and out airflow. You know what I'm talking about? Yes, sir. Out back, just a rugged, again, Fab 4 rear bumper, and customer opted to keep it textured and not paint it, and I'm glad they went with that because you still got texture components in your matte black wheel. It flows so nicely. It is a great combination of tastefully doing both finishes. Airlift airbags in the rear. See your bag perched there looking so great, and we use the necessary bracket to work with the additional rear block. And then you got you saw the interior. I mean, the interior's next level, looking great. But here's your control for your air ride component. Walked around the whole truck and almost didn't state the obvious. Weather guard toolbox, one of the best in the business. Customer already had it in there. It just adds to the overall capacity and ruggedness of this beautiful truck. You're going to love this one. I know y'all do. This truck is so sharp. It just works in so many ways. I love the way this one turned out. And again, it going to a customer right here at Akins and Wild Willie's. We appreciate it so much. And now I want to send it out with some killer footage. I appreciate you watching. Peace. Can somebody show this video to Braden Price? I saw he was at Durhamtown. We sponsor Durhamtown. We have Can-Ams. We're everything that he likes. Send it to him, y'all. See if he can hit me up. Let's go ride, Braden.